what's up everybody? I'm very excited to share with you today another Tsmine killer product, the spray mop, the Tsmine spray mop, which I call AKA the Swift the Jet Killer. Why is that? We all need a spray mop in your house just for little quick messes, but this spray mop here, you get to take your bottle out and put your own liquid inside, and after you're done with that, you get to refill it again, not throw it in the garbage and buy another product. Also, the Swift the Jet brings 7, 8 microfiber pads on it. Hey, so one of the coolest things about the Tsmine spray mop is this Velcro microfiber pad, which basically all you gotta do is when you're putting it on, you don't have to put up no edges or anything. All you're gonna do is slide it right in and it's gonna stick right in. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Whenever you're done with it, you're gonna pop it right off and you're gonna throw it right in the washer. And you get to use it all over again. This is the products of products. My wife loves it, my mom loves it. Everybody's loving these products. They come over my house. I just like to make a video to let you know exactly how this works. It also brings this very cool little scraper. So you have anything stuck on the floor or anything, you're able to stuck it up, able to scrape it up and clean it right up, all right? But now let me show you the magic and how this works. Here we go. We got some pasta the little boys just threw over a little while ago. And now what we're gonna do, give it a little spray. After you give the spray, look at that. I mean, it is one of the awesome products here in the house. My wife loves this. It's very easy. Sometimes you have other mops for quick messes. This is what you want to have in your house. You can use it on wood floor. You can use it on vinyl floor. You can use it on ceramic. You basically use it on anything that you like. If it's for small messes, all you're gonna do is give it a couple little sprays and it's gonna swim right out. It goes under anywhere. You can use it to hit under your kitchen counters. And I mean, your ideas are endless. If you have any ideas out there how to use a spray mop, which you probably would, please let me know. Give me some feedback and I would love to do a lot more videos for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys enjoy your own spray mop, Tsmine spray mop, available only on Amazon, all right? See you guys soon. Oh.